How's it going, YouTube? I'm T-Man, and today we're opening up an HB Tower 3-step ladder. So I already have the scissors. Let's go ahead and open it up. Alright, so there you have it. We have opened up our HB Tower. No assembly required. It's already ready to use. So let's stand on it and see if it can hold me. All right, so I think it's a good investment, actually. We have a lot of high plants, so that will help when we need to reach those high plants. And overall, it's a really sturdy stool. I don't think you'll find a better one at a cheaper price. So I will go ahead and link the item in the description and let me know what you think. All right, guys, I am T-Man with T-Man's Reviews, and I will see you next time.